All right. Moving on to extrude region, we can come over here and let's pull this out so we can read what we're looking at. With our selection, right now we have a vert selected, so we can extrude a vertice, right? And it basically moves it along its normal. So if we look at an edge, let's just go here, we're extruding that along its normal. Same with a face. Right? That's extrude region. So if we come down to extrude manifold, we need a different selection. So let's take that and extrude that along its normal, right? You have a bit of menus here that you can adjust. I'm not going to mess with anything, but you can adjust how it actually works, right? I'm going to put that back to normal because that's roughly how it likes to function. And let's look at extrude along normals. So if we have more than one, then we will extrude along those normals. You also have a couple of other options as well. So you can adjust your offset. You can say, hey, offset even. Right? It's pretty handy. It's proportional editing and mirror editing. We're not going to mess with those as well. Extrude individual. So now we can extrude these individually. And extrude to cursor. Let's just make a singular selection, right? Let's say right this guy. So let's extrude to cursor. Let's go into our side view and we can say boom, 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 boom. All right. I'm going to put that back on extrude region.